Still struggling to build your website? What if I told you you could launch a beautiful professional site in under 5 minutes without writing a single line of code? Let me show you something amazing. This is Website.im, a powerful no-code website builder that's changing the game for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and literally anyone who wants a website that just works. Choose from stunning, mobile-friendly themes and change them anytime. Drag and drop your content, replace text, images, and layouts in seconds. One design, fully responsive, looks perfect on both desktop and mobile. Need a store, blog, photo gallery, or forms? It's all built in and ready to go. Your site comes with free SSL for security, and you can even connect your own domain. Seriously, if you can click, you can build. Website.im is that simple. No tech skills, no stress, no expensive developers. And here's the best part. Right now, there's a 92% lifetime deal. Just a one-time payment, and your website is yours forever. Over 45 glowing reviews, people are saying it's the easiest website builder they've ever used. Don't waste another second with complex builders or expensive freelancers. Click the link in the description and grab this lifetime deal before it's gone. Website.im, it's your website made simple. Build it today, love it forever.